Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Wyze camera keeps going offline. So in order to troubleshoot this problem, what you need to do is you need to simply check the Wi-Fi signals at the camera, or maybe you can try a different FVIA power adapter and or a cable. So make sure that the cable is pushed in tight and seated, so you can even find the signal strength in the application or in your device info as well. So if you are not able to fix this issue, then what you can do is you can simply come to wyze.com and here click on the help section that would be in the top. After that, you just have to click on connect with us. So what this will do is it will redirect you on the Wyze's official help center. There you just have to scroll down and you can either ask the question in their community, or you can even get the live support. So they have mentioned their live support hours, so you need to make sure that you try to contact them in the working hours only. So you can tell them that you are facing this type of error, and the Wyze camera customer support team is going to help you in this regard. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.